This 5-minute solution will show you how to check call history on iPhone after deleted. So the question is, can you see a number or call history after deleted? No. Here is no option. iPhone doesn't provide this feature. But here a little trick, if you follow, you can see your real call history after deleted. In order to do it, go to your App Store, and now here you have to download your SIM sales service app. So right now I'm using GP SIM. So here's in my App Store, I'm searching for my SIM app. If you're using Vodafone or Airtel, just search for the SIM app, and all you have to install the SIM app. Once the app installed, go ahead and launch the app, and now you have to sign into your account using your SIM number. So go ahead and create an account and log into your account. And it may ask you to verify your SIM. Just enter here the verification code to verify. Once you verified your number, now tap on account. And here, scroll down and tap on history and tap on call history, and here you will get all of your call histories. I'm going to my iPhone phone app, and let's delete all number from here. After deleting my call history, now I'm going to relaunching my SIM app. Again, going to my account, tapping on history and tapping on call history, and as you can see, all of my numbers are showing up here after deleting my call history from iPhone. So this is the only way to check call history on iPhone or Android phone after deleting. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.